In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blog on Substack. If you're new to blogging or simply looking to expand your reach, Substack offers an intuitive platform that helps you effectively share your content with the world. We'll walk through the entire process from setting up your account to hitting publish on your very own blog post. First things first, head over to Substack's website and sign up for an account. This is your starting point where you'll gain access to all the tools you need to create your blog, also known as a publication on this platform. When you sign up, Substack will prompt you to set up your publication. Think of this as the heartbeat of your blog, the central hub where all your writing will come to life. One of the first choices you'll make is selecting a name for your publication. Ensure it's catchy and conveys your brand's essence. Accompany your name with a unique URL, making it easier for subscribers to find you, and craft a concise yet compelling description that will draw readers in. This is your chance to make a great first impression, so make sure it speaks volumes about what your blog offers. Visual appeal is an essential part of your setup. Choose a profile picture and a cover image that align with your blog's theme and message. These visuals will make your page look polished and professional, setting the right tone for your audience. Once your setup is complete, it's time to navigate to your publication's home or post tab and select New Post. This takes you to Substack's built-in editor, where the creative magic happens. The editor is designed to make writing a breeze. Whether you're penning a quick update or a long-form piece, you can easily format text, add images, videos, and links to enrich your post and engage your readers better. To encourage more people to join your community, consider inserting a subscribe button within your posts. This simple addition can significantly boost your email list, ensuring your readers never miss an update. When your masterpiece is ready, select Continue followed by Send to Everyone to publish it. Substack takes care of the rest by automatically sending an email notification to your subscribers, so they're always in the loop with your latest offerings. Lastly, don't forget to share your Substack publication on social media platforms or embed it within your personal website. This can dramatically increase your blog's visibility, reaching a broader audience and attracting new readers. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're on your way to successful blogging on Substack. Remember, the key lies in consistent and engaging content, so keep writing and sharing your unique voice with the world. Happy blogging!